Hi Gastro Pals, it's Tiny Small Fry here again. Now I know I've been conspicuous by my absence for the last couple of months, and that's because I've been quite busy doing lots of other things, flitting here and flitting there, and taking care of my my other business. But we're back with a vengeance, and today we're going to be cooking cola chicken with Diet Cola. So it's a bit of an odd thing to be doing, but I promise you it's really nice. So let's get in the kitchen and get started. So of course, central ingredient to this particular dish is 330 ml of your favourite Diet Cola, and we just pop that in the jug, into which we had 200 ml of chicken stock. Now we add in 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, followed by 120 ml, that's 8 tablespoons of passata. Now we give that a good healthy whisk round to combine all of those ingredients together. And then once we're happy, we can add in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And a tablespoon of dark soy. And finally, 2 cloves of garlic, which we've crushed. After a quick stir, we'll set the jug aside and get on with preparing the rest of the dish. So we're just going to coat our wok with a little bit of spray oil and put it on a medium to high heat. So in we go now with our skinless boned chicken thigh that we've sliced up, and we're just going to seal that off. And then you can see here, skip forward, and that's pretty much sealed now. And we're going to go in now with some sliced pepper. See there, I've used frozen sliced pepper, and that will soon sort of defrost and cook through. And straight on top of that, we're going in with 1 courgette that we've diced up. I'll just stir that in. And into that as well, we've added a whole diced red onion. And we just keep stirring that round whilst we cook it through. And once the peppers have softened, what we're going to do now is add in our sauce jug and bring that to a simmer and cook for 20 minutes or until the chicken's cooked through. So now you can see we've reached our rolling boil, so we're going to reduce the heat down and simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're ready to thicken the sauce with a bit of cornflour. We've got the cornflour, 2 teaspoons thereof. I'm just going to lift some of the sauce out of the pan and whisk it into the cornflour. Just leave it to simmer for another 5 minutes for the sauce to thicken. So now the sauce is thickened, the only thing for us to do is to plate it up with some rice. And here it is, Diet Cola chicken served with rice. An unusual dish, but absolutely delicious. Bon appétit.